Live from Sun and Fun, Falmouth, Foreside here in Portland, Maine. Look, over there they're building a new bridge, and according to one of the locals, it's taken them quite a while to get this bridge done. However, they're active, they're getting the bridge done. You'll find Falmouth, Foreside north of Portland on Route 9. If you're taking 295, you come off, you'll take the exit onto Route 1. And you also will find in this area a spectacular view of just how immense the Atlantic Ocean is. And if you continue into Maine and you continue on Route 1 up the coastline of Maine, you're gonna find some of the most spectacular views perhaps in the world. There's nothing like Maine life, and the only way to appreciate it is to actually try to get out and see it for what it really is. Nonetheless, there is some construction and some life going on north of Portland. Sometimes I make it up north, and I plan to get up more up north or down east, and do some filming and meeting some folks up there in that area. I want to thank you for viewing my video. You'll find my video on YouTube. I would love to hear from you. This is Frank Markell live, February 25th, 2014, from Falmouth, Foreside, where they are building a bridge. Have a great Maine day, and I will keep you posted.